In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can control your LEGO Powered Up or Boo-Wiz creations using a real RC transmitter. We won't be doing any modifications, hacking, or splicing. This is a plug-and-play solution. At the time of recording, only steering and throttle are available, but this is enough for most vehicles. If this changes in the future, I will update the description of this video, so be sure to check for that. I'm also releasing a discussion video alongside this one if you are interested in using the additional buttons or have any software development expertise to lend to the project. The key to getting all this working was a friend reminding me that the Brick Controller app supports wired controllers. As of now, I only know of one RC transmitter that will work with the app, and that is the FlySky G7P. It has a USB-C port right on the controller that outputs just like a gamepad. You will need a mobile device that supports OTG USB connections. I've been using a Pixel 4a and a Samsung A10e, but support for this feature will vary widely. Even the OTG cables themselves can be hit or miss. I would recommend doing research on your device and an OTG adapter before making any purchases. Let's get started. Connect the controller to your device, then let's open up the Brick Controller app. The first thing we will do is connect to the devices we will be using. This can be a powered up hub, Boo-Wiz controller, or an S-Brick. After that, let's test to make sure the app is seeing the controller. Remember, for now, only the steering and throttle will be picked up by the Brick Controller app. We'll start a new creation with the plus icon in the bottom right. Then click Default Profile and we'll start assigning the controls with the plus button. First, let's set up our throttle. We'll pull the trigger and assign it to the A output. In this case, the default settings will be fine, except we will need to invert the direction. Remember to use the check button on the top right and not the back button on the app or your phone. We can test our model using the play button. After that, let's set up our steering. We'll turn the wheel and assign it to port B. Under Advanced Settings, we'll select Servo Motor. We can use the gear icon to calibrate the steering. After that, click the check button and click play to try it out. That's all I have so far. Unfortunately, the app doesn't support turning the phone screen off while connected. This is something that has been brought up on the GitHub page and it looks to be out of their control. My solution is to use rubber bands to attach my phone to the controller. Hey, it works. I hope to have more updates in the future, and we'll be watching closely to see if there are any other options for LEGO RC that don't use touch controls. In the Boo-Wiz interview with Racing Brick and Sariel, there was talk of a physical controller solution. But remember, these things take time. But if anyone can do it, I have faith in Boo-Wiz. Thank you for watching, and remember to play well.